Instructions on how to apply beautiful lipstick. Lipstick is an essential part of any makeup look, but it can be challenging to apply it perfectly. In this guide, we will share some tips and tricks for applying lipstick flawlessly. Tip 1. Exfoliate your lips. Before applying lipstick, it's essential to exfoliate your lips to remove any dead skin cells and create a smooth surface for the lipstick to adhere to. Use a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush to gently exfoliate your lips, then rinse off with warm water. Tip 2. Apply lip balm. Applying lip balm before lipstick can help to keep your lips moisturized and prevent the lipstick from drying out your lips. Apply a thin layer of lip balm and wait a few minutes before applying lipstick. Tip 3. Use a lip liner. Using a lip liner can help to define your lips and prevent the lipstick from bleeding or feathering. Choose a lip liner that matches your lipstick, and use it to outline your lips before filling them in. Tip 4. Apply lipstick with a brush. Using a lip brush to apply lipstick can help to create a more precise and even application. Start by applying lipstick to the center of your lips, then use the brush to blend it out towards the edges. Tip 5. Blot and set your lipstick. After applying lipstick, blot your lips with a tissue to remove any excess product. Then, apply a thin layer of translucent powder over your lips to set the lipstick and prevent it from smudging or transferring. Tip 6. Touch up throughout the day. Lipstick can wear off throughout the day, so it's essential to touch up as needed. Keep your lipstick and lip brush with you for touch-ups throughout the day. In conclusion, applying lipstick can be a challenge, but with these tips and tricks, you can achieve a flawless, long-lasting application. Exfoliate your lips, apply lip balm, use a lip liner, apply lipstick with a brush, blot and set your lipstick, and touch up throughout the day. With practice, you'll be able to apply lipstick like a pro and rock any lip color with confidence. Applying lipstick is an art form when done well. Start with plump and moisturized lips before adding color by exfoliating and hydrating. Then choose a lipstick formula, shade and finish for your desired look. Red, berry, nude, mauve and brown are popular fall and winter shades, while spring and summer see more vibrant corals, pinks and berries. Glosses provide shine, stains darker pigmentation, and matte finishes for a soft glow. Apply a lip balm and allow it to sink in for at least 30 minutes or overnight before lipstick. Use beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil or vitamin E balms which hydrate without feeling greasy. Exfoliate lips gently with a soft washcloth or electric brush to remove dry and flaky skin. Choose a lipstick formula based on your lip type and needs. For dry lips, pick cream or ointment lipsticks and balms.